Welcome back to another episode of the freaking Mustang restoration. This thing is pretty rusty, and in today's episode we're gonna be taking out all the seats. Actually, we already did, but we put them back in. We're gonna be taking out all the seats. We're gonna be taking out the carpet and leave it on the bare metal. We found a lot of rust, and there was a big family of rats living in this thing, like a big millionaire family with a lot of money, cause they had tunnels and everything. Like, it was nice. There was a big, okay, I gotta stop. Yeah, that didn't turn out as I wanted to. We also tried bleeding the brakes to see if we can make them work and stuff like that, but we miserably failed. So we just bought new brakes and stuff. So I hope you enjoy.
So we just took out the back seats and they're pretty harsh, super hard. They're all dirty and dirty and dirty. As you can see, it's super bad. I'm gonna show y'all the seats. These things the rats brought to the seat. Look, they brought like a teddy bear or something. Like, look, that's a whole nest, complete whole nest. Look, and this one's more packed. You can see the hole, one there, one there. Super nasty. Super nasty. We might have to buy new seats because this is super nasty. We're not touching any of this. So we just found all that.
It's in really rough shape. Look at all that. We basically need to change. We need to change the whole floor. The body's in good condition, but the floor is definitely not. This side is actually in very good condition. That side is definitely not. Except in the back right here.
No le puedes coger miedo al...
As y'all can see in that video, the whole floor is rusted. Like, there's a huge hole in the floor. And we thought that this side would be good, but you couldn't see it because of the carpet was in and stuff like that. But no, we need to change the whole floor. We thought it was gonna be bad, but it's actually not that big of a deal. This thing happens a lot on these cars, and they sell the whole floor pan online for like a $500. So really not that big of a deal. So we're gonna be doing that. We're gonna buy the whole floor and replace it. And honestly, that's it. It doesn't really have that much rust except in the corner over there. But I shall need to take care of that. We can't really do that. And the floor also too, because there's a bunch of like stuff you gotta do with bond and like electricity and stuff like that too. But well, whatever. Just
Took out the bumper, as you can see. It was actually, so we could take out the tank. It was actually pretty hard because we have to go from inside the trunk. Y'all can see, can't really see. We had to pull it out because it wasn't coming out. The bolt wasn't coming out. Now the only thing that we're missing here is the other side. There's a bolt in there to actually take it out. I'll take it out, but we just gotta start because we're trying to make it to here to take out the gas tank to clean it. So y'all want to take out the gas tank. Because it was slipping and we couldn't get it out, but now it's not coming out. Espérate, pero aquí hay que de... Just comes out with it. Tank so it could get clean so we could go for the engine stuff and it could start up. We just took out the tank, not completely out, but the only thing it's holding is just that. It's just holding it a little bit up like that. It was hard because it didn't want to come out from the tube, but we were able to take it out. I'll come back when we completely take it out. So we just took out the gas tank. Here. So that's the gas. It's fine.
That's some nasty gas. I mean race fuel. What the hell? I've never seen it red.
It's like red, orange.
You might see him.
The gas tank is actually in pretty good shape. This is a big budget build. Like, this is using a budget, so we gotta try to use all the parts we can and not have to buy many because, yeah. We got the AC blowing cold.
I got this one.
Mechanic. Oh, what the hell? It just came right out. What the heck? All right. Let's go check it out. Let's go check it out. Oh shit.
Drum brakes, baby. You gotta love them. I mean, they're still brake pads.
It's still, yeah, but they're kind of worn out.
They're worn out, bro.
Yeah, they're really worn out.
Hey, at least we know they work.
I think this is gonna work.
Yeah.
No, eso no sirve.
That's,
Ya no
no tienen piel.
Ah, ¿ya no tienen nada?
No, they're both.
Hay que ponerse las nuevas.
Oye, pero ¿dónde que para un poquito, eh?
They're all right here.
Sí, sí se puede poner a...
Que para un poco.
Si la bomba tira, si llega a abrir un poquito, se regula para que ajuste un poquitico más.
Yeah.
Vamos a poner la otra.
Look, Danny, here are your brakes right here.
All the brake?
What's left of the brake pad.
All the brakes.
Yo sí, pero es más fácil.
You got the easiest one, bro. You just pull it right out. What the heck?
How'd you wiggle it?
It's because maybe
And I was
this
telling you
one.
to bring WD-40.
Bro, I know where you just go.
I thought you
there,
meant,
just
I was like,
come
wait,
back
why you
with
want
it,
to do
like-
it 44?
It's because I'm brown. That's why I got last
¿Qué hiciste, compadre? Oye.
I stopped it by accident.
¿Comió en el de eso también? ¿O eso es así?
No. Ya, no se ve.
Look at that. Yeah, that's just supposed to be straight. That's not supposed to have that big...
Aquí no se puede hacer nada, aquí poniendo el freno.
Started and we just deleted the muffler, well the song, and let's see how it sounds. I mean we're starting, but I can show you how it sounds. Sounds super nice, bro. Oye, si quieres le podemos dar la vuelta y todo.
No, mira, mami.
¿Eh? Le cogí la vuelta ahí de cambio, neutro, cambio, neutro, cambio.
Get